hair color to this bright neon pink color. So all you're gonna need is some bleach and a mixing bowl and brush and stuff like that. And the dye that I used is the Adore Neon Pink. I believe it's the color 190 or 140. But yes, I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this bright pink color. Let me just say before I even start the video to use gloves because it will stain your hands and nails very slightly. But yes, guys, you know I had to complete the look with this eye look, duh. So yeah, if you guys wanna see how to get this color, then just keep watching. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. So first, to bleach my hair, I use Clairol's BW2 bleach and 30 volume developer. Since my hair is so short, I only use about a scoop and a half of bleach. And then for developer, you want to pour enough so that when you mix it, it's a nice, thick, creamy consistency, kind of like pudding. And then you're just gonna put it all over your hair. I have a complete detailed hair bleaching tutorial. If you're interested in watching that, you can just click the link up in the top right. So once that's all over my head, I let that sit for about 30 minutes or so. I don't cover it with a plastic cap or apply heat, I just leave it. Okay, so here's how it looks after I let it sit in my hair for about a half an hour. I am gonna have to bleach it again just because it's gonna come out blonde, but like to get the best color, you wanna get it like all the color out as possible. So you wanna try to get it as close to platinum as you can. So I'm gonna have to bleach it at least one more time. I don't think I'll have to do it 3 times because hot pink is like a really dark color. I'm not doing like a pastel color. So I might only have to bleach it one more time. So yes, I'm about to go wash this out and then I'll come back to, you know, show me bleaching it again. Okay, so here's how it looks after the first bleach. I don't know why it didn't take in this one little patch right here, but it's okay because we're about to do it again. I am about to just follow the same exact process all over again, and we're gonna see how it looks after that and see if I have to bleach it one more time. I don't think that I will, but yeah. Okay, so once again, I'm gonna let that sit for another 30 minutes or so, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how it looks before I wash it out. And yeah, we're just gonna go from there. Okay, so here's how it looks now. I left it in for about 45 minutes this time. It's looking like I'm not gonna have to bleach it again, so after I wash it out this time, I'm most likely gonna just come back and show you guys me coloring it because it is looking, you know, pretty close to white. And like I said, hot pink is like a dark color, so it really doesn't need to be like white because I'm not doing like pastel pink like I did. If you guys didn't see that, you can go check that out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go wash this out and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and show me applying the color. Okay, so this is what it looks like after the second time bleaching it. I did think that it was gonna be a little bit lighter, but it's okay because it's still gonna work. So today, the color that I'm using is Neon Pink by Adore. I love Adore when it comes to coloring my hair, all these vibrant colors. I really do think that they are the best brand for that. So I'm just going to apply this all over my head and then I'm going to put on a plastic cap and I'm going to sit with a hooded dryer for about 15 minutes. If you don't have a hooded dryer, you could just wrap it in plastic and leave it on for about 25 to 30 minutes. This is bright. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes and then I'm just gonna come back to you guys with the finished result after I wash it out. So yeah, just stay tuned. So this is the final result. I'm so in love, y'all. Like, this is so girly, like this is so me. And you know I had to complete the look with this eyeshadow, you feel me? And I even made this up on my nails just to take a picture on Instagram. You know, I had to little flex a little bit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and easy to understand. Also, if you guys want a more in-depth bleaching tutorial, I can include that in this video for you guys to watch. Also, if you guys want to see what my hair looks like after I bleach it 3 times, I actually do have a video on that. So if you want to go a little bit lighter, just in case you're doing like a lighter color or something like that, you guys can go check out that video just so you guys can see how light my hair comes out. So yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You know that's where I post all my pictures. I'll see you guys in my next video.